Hello mates, welcome back. Can't see the camera, don't know whether it's running, it made a bleep, but we'll see. We got some of this. Come on, do it right. Come on. I haven't got a microphone on, so yeah, I'll have to be careful. It's Samuel Gowith Black Arabica. I think it's based on Arabica coffee beans, which are quite complex, so I'm led to believe. And I am a coffee lover, but I can't say I've ever had some Arabica beans. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't, I don't know. Better if that lid stayed down. Let's give it a... Oh, you can hear it rattling. I don't know whether you'd hear it if I had a microphone on, but I haven't. That's a bit annoying, isn't it? Keep putting that down. Try again. Right, let's pause it here. I'll show you where I am. I'm down at the bandstand on Whitby's Westcliff side, on the Westcliff side. I'm at the bottom of the Khyber Pass. Yes, you heard it right, the Khyber Pass. I'll take a couple of seconds just to show you where I am, and then we'll get on with this review. Hang on a minute, I'll be back. Right, I hope you enjoyed that. I've got my camera on top of a rubbish bin here. You can smell the fish and chips, that. Oh, shut up, Simon. I'll keep close to the camera. That's dead annoying, that, isn't it? Oh, it's drier than I thought. Can you see it? I don't know. The screen's on, but honestly, I can't see anything. So I hope this is right. Oh, coffee, broody, chocolatey. It's like a mix, a little bit mix of a dark coffee with a little bit of dark chocolate mixed in it. It's very grainy. What's this? Oh, it's tickly, like a tickly thing. Wow, I'm always sneezing on these videos. On these videos, it's usually because it's first thing in the morning, and I haven't had many bumps before this, but this is a sneezy one. Get me tash clean. Is it clean? Yeah. It's a bit full on for this time in the morning. To be honest with you, a bit full on. Got loads of vitamin N in it, absolutely loads. Dark broody, smoky, coffee, little hint of dark chocolate in it. Goodness me, that is well hard. Well hard. It comes in a tapper, it's a 10 gram, nicely packed. Samuel Gowith. It always surprises them a bit with their tins, you know, the Samuel Gowith, they've got this big tin and this big label, but there's hardly anything on it, you know. You've got to squint to see Samuel Gowith. I think they could do a little bit more. So by Gowith, Hogarth and Company Limited in Kendal, Cumbria, 10 gram. It's a bit full on for this time in the morning. This is one when you've been, you primed the nose holes, you primed, yeah, you've had a couple of glasses of wine and you're feeling a bit cocky, if you know what I mean. There's no connotation with that, we just Honestly, these reviews are just getting worse. Just been wandering around, there's some folk from where I'm from, Batley, today, wondering about. We're complaining about the accommodation they're staying in. It's got a right tingle with it. It's very sneezy. Very coarse, very sneezy. You can smell the base flour. It got loads of nicotine. Oh man. I really did not expect that. There's a big lump of bloody seagull. Put my hand in it, have I? No. Bloody Nora. Seagulls are shit all over the place. You know, you're walking around and folk are feeding them fish and chips and all of that business. Crapping on everybody. Honestly. Fucking flying vermin. Look, you pour it. This is the trouble with these pinches. You pour it out and you get a gallon of it. You know, you don't get a bit of it. You don't get a pinch. Like if it's in a tin, you can get a pinch, can't you? With this, you just get half a ton of it on your hand. Can you see it? I don't like tap tins. I just don't like them. But it is what it is. You can get this in a proper tin, I think, but a bigger, maybe a 30-gram tin, something like that. Do I like this stuff? All in all, I do. It's very strong, it's bold, it's different, it's coarse. It's not as moist as I thought. It's almost grainy, it's that sort of coarse. You definitely get the, you get a smokiness, you get the base flour though, and that smokiness with it. You get a bit of the chocolatey with it. You get a bit of a mostly coffee, big coffee, little chocolatey. It's so bold, it's hard to pick anything else much up in it. Now, I think it's probably more complex as I'm letting on. But that's what I'm picking up on. And that's what I think you'll pick up on. I could wax lyrically, you know, read up about all of these things, but there's no point. I just tell you what it's like when I shove it up my nose. If you want a vitamin N hit, you'll get it with this. If you want it to sit in your nose, you'll get it. It's definitely tickly. It's definitely sneezy. It might be better. I think this, I've had this tin a little while. I can never tell. They put these flipping codes on them so you can't make out what they are. I wish you could decipher them. I've had this a little while. I suspect it might be a little bit more moist when it's a slap bang fresh tin of it. I don't know. You see, look at that. It's really getting on me. It's really getting on me tits, is that? Oh dear. And now you wonder why I don't like tap tins. I've no idea whether I'm full in screen or what. I haven't got a Scooby-Doo. Do I like it? Yeah, I do like it. Am I going to take it out with me? No, because it's messy. I'm going to pour it on my hand like if I'm going out with the missus tonight and I'm having a couple of vino collapsos, you know, and I've got this and that. Well, you've got to put it on a beer mat or you've got to put it on the, you know, on the bar. It's just messing about, innit? It's messing about that I really don't want. I'd just rather take a tin of it out with me and... hello, mate. I'm just finishing a video. I'll say I do in a minute. I'm literally just finishing. And so I'd rather have it in a normal tin, if you know what I mean. That's probably what I'd like. But that's it. If you want a big hitter and you want loads of vitamin N and you want some smoky and a bit of coffee and a little bit of chocolate, it'll be right up your street. Right, there's one of my, you know, I've got another channel, it's called Simply Whipped It, and there's one of my subscribers here, so I'm going to say how do. So I love you and leave you. Let me know what you think if you've tried it. Thanks for watching, and you keep well. I'll see you next time. Chin chin.